Let's talk budgeting. If you're just starting out, managing your finances can feel overwhelming, but don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you in just 3 minutes. 1. Understand your income. List all your sources of income, your salary, any side gigs, freelance work, or passive income. Then, calculate your monthly income after taxes and deductions. 2. Track your expenses. Break down your spending into categories like rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance, entertainment, and dining out. Use a spending tracker, an app, a spreadsheet, or even pen and paper to track every expense for at least 1 month. This gives you a clear picture of where your money goes. 3. Set your financial goals. Think about short-term goals like building an emergency fund, paying off credit card debt, or saving for a vacation. Then, long-term goals like buying a home, saving for retirement, or starting a business. Prioritize these goals by importance and time frame and allocate funds accordingly. 4. It's time to create a budget plan. Start with your essential expenses: rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, and transportation. These are non-negotiable. Then, allocate money for discretionary spending, dining out, entertainment, and hobbies. Be realistic but mindful of overspending. 5. Don't forget savings. Aim to save at least 20% of your income if possible. 6. Choose a budgeting method that works for you. The 50-30-20 rule is a good start. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Or try zero-based budgeting, where every dollar has a purpose. The envelope system is also an option. Use cash for certain categories and only spend what's in the envelope. Once your budget is in place, adjust and track it. Point 7. Regularly monitor your spending and compare it with your budget. Use budgeting apps like Mint, YNAB, or a simple spreadsheet. Adjust as needed if you overspend in one category. Point 8. Building an emergency fund is crucial. Aim to save 3-6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible savings account. Start small if you need to. Even $500 to $1,000 is a great start. 9. Reducing debt should be a priority too. Focus on paying off high-interest debt first to save money over time. Use the debt snowball method for quick wins or the avalanche method to minimize interest payments. 10. Cutting unnecessary expenses can free up more money for savings and debt repayment. Review your spending and look for areas to cut back, like subscription services, dining out, or impulse purchases. Negotiate bills to get better rates on things like cable, internet, or insurance. 11. Automate your savings and bill payments to make budgeting easier. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. Automate bill payments to avoid late fees. 12. Review and reflect on your budget regularly. At the end of each month, review what worked and what didn't and adjust as necessary. Stay committed and flexible as you find what works best for you. 13. Educate yourself continuously about personal finance and budgeting by reading books, listening to podcasts, and following financial blogs. By following these steps, you'll create a budget that helps you manage your finances, achieve your goals, and build a secure financial future. Happy budgeting!